Here we come to the elevator at some Telfair strip mall in Sugar Land, Texas that I don't know the exact name. It's a Schindler 3300 MRL. This was installed in 2016. Haven't seen Schindler 3300 elevators in a long time. It just went up like about 10-15 seconds ago. A low pitch chime, wow. 2. The building name is Exchange at Telfair. Let's go outside and ring the bell. First time I've ever heard a low pitch 3300. Wow. Oh, I didn't press the button hard enough. Your standard cab. These are your fixtures. I'll go for one more ride. Door close button works. I love that. A low pitch 3300. It's got a 1. The light's already burned out on this one. Let's ring that bell again. I want to hear that chime. Wow. That is the most interesting chime that I've ever heard. Alright, here we are at 1. See out the door, but I probably missed it. There it goes, and that's it.